This is our largest model. It's called a 2020. That means it has 20 pans tall, and it's the 20 width as opposed to the 10 width. The 10 is the narrow, the 20 is the wider. It's basically two 10-pan combis stacked on top of each other, so it does have two heating elements, two fans, things like that. It does have the antimicrobial door handle again, where that treatment is embedded in the resin, so scratches and nicks won't harbor bacteria. It is a two-stage door handle. The first stage to there will allow steam energy to vent out safely so that you don't open it and get hit with a blast of steam. The second stage lifts up, the door opens, and then slides back along the oven. All of our full-size combis have that disappearing door feature, and it's great from a lot of perspectives. First is it keeps the aisleway clear in front of the combi, so the traffic flow doesn't have to stop. The second thing is that when the door's all the way open, it's not blocking the piece of equipment that would be sitting next to the oven, so the workflow doesn't have to stop when the oven's being loaded. And most importantly, this large open door isn't going to drift close and burn anybody while they're loading and unloading the oven. This one is showing our standard control panel. We do offer this one and the Easy Touch across the entire line of combis. And assuming that the combi was manufactured after a certain date, the Easy Touch panel is retrofittable onto a combi that has the current standard control panel if they wanted to upgrade to the more precise control of the Easy Touch. It can do either racks like this that can hold full sheet trays. It will hold a steam table pan sideways on this rack, so I could get 40 steam table pans, 42-inch steam table pans in this oven, 2 per rack times 20 racks. This cart can be removed and a different cart can go in. The other alternative cart that we have is a plate cassette. It has rings that hold dinner plates. This oven is specifically designed to be able to banquet in a way called plated retherm, in which the food is prepped ahead of time, placed on the plate when it's cold, and then the entire plate with the food on it is brought back up to serving temperature. This plate rack will hold, the plate rack that fits this oven will hold 96 plates at one time. And a typical 96 plate retherm can be accomplished in less than 15 minutes. Part of the fun of my job actually is that I get to play with these great pieces of equipment all the time. It is so fun to show somebody food that they think that they know how it's going to taste and bring it out of the combi oven, and it's like watching them taste something for the first time. Because the combi can cook above and below 212 degrees in steam mode, I can do a low temperature steam for things like spinach, and the flavor and the mouthfeel, everything about that spinach is fantastic when it's done at that low temperature steam. So it's just exciting. It's just fun because everybody gets to taste something out of here, and they just can't believe the quality of the food coming out of it. So it's very gratifying as a chef to be able to serve people food that causes that effect.